Okay, so for this week's release, we got the Bape Moon Collection and the Bape Gran Turismo collaboration, which specifically for the collaboration, based off the release photos, I was, yeah. But I think we know sometimes product in hand is a whole lot better.
I don't think they ready.
Alright, Bape Moon Collection. 3 different tees. Now, what makes this collection kinda interesting, it gives us 3 different design illustrations based on the moon. The Moon Photo Ape Head tee. This is the photorealistic, I guess you can say, design illustration on the moon. Got the big ape head design, moon in the forefront, earth in the background, and for an added touch, we got an alien saucer beaming the Bape head logos in metallic colors. You know, just in time for the whole... And here is the back, with the same metallic Bape logos. Yeah, it's a pretty cool tee. You know, Bape has always been pretty good with space-themed designs. Well, almost all the time.
What the fuck?
The Moon Japan Ape Head tee. Now, obviously we know why this one's called the Moon Japan. Got the whole traditional Japanese foil stamp design, the rabbit for the year of the rabbit, and the biggest clue, the kanji characters. So over here we got Uchu Engine, which is like Space Ape Man, if you want to literally translate it. And then over here you have Shinshin Kie, which is like rising or up and coming.
Konnichiwa, bitches.
Nothing on the back on this tee. And last but not least, the Moon Ape Head tee. Now this one kind of has a comic book design feel to it. We got the ape head looking like the moon, and then we got the Bathing Ape logo in this superhero comic book font. And here's the back, which personally I think is a lot cleaner than the front. Same Bathing Ape logo, but in the forefront we got this spaceship. Inside the spaceship we got an ape. Kind of reminds me of the whole monkey into space thing. Yeah, probably my favorite out of the 3. Not surprisingly, this one was the first one to sell out in the collection. Well, there it is, the Bape Moon Collection. 3 different designs. I can say this is a level up from the 2021 Moon Collection, even though that one was pretty cool too. Overall, that collection was just one design. Anyways, what y'all guys think? Alright, so next up, Gran Turismo. You know, I'm not too big on Gran Turismo. I know it's a game, and them games do be fun. And there is a movie out as well, which looks pretty cool. But personally, I just don't know if there needed to be a collab. Well, let's just see. Alright, so 3 different tees, just like the Moon Collection. Bape Gran Turismo Ape Head tee number 1. Yeah, we got a lot of big ape head tees this week. So we got the whole Gran Turismo branding all throughout the tee. We got that racer red line going down the middle, kind of like how a lot of sports cars has. I'm guessing this is kind of a racer crew team tee. Got the Academy Bape crew logo in there with the Bape style logos. Now, what stands out to me, personally, is the white camo. You know, Bape doesn't use white camo too often, usually only when they're dropping city camo. So here, it's, yeah, nice to see. I do want to say it doesn't glow like city camo. Don't want to confuse y'all. And yeah, here's the back, with the same Academy Bape crew text as the front, but in red camo. Not color camo red, because color camo red is a lot darker. And tee number 2. And yes, it is called Bape Gran Turismo Ape Head number 2. I think this tee is a lot cleaner. We got the black, red, and white stripes, creating the Ape Head logo. And then scattered throughout, we got the Gran Turismo Academy logo, with the carbon fiber design ape face. And here's the back, with all the different brandings. Yeah, this tee has a lot more detail compared to the first tee. It has more of a racer feel. If I was a Gran Turismo fan, I would probably cop this tee right here. And the final tee, the Bape Gran Turismo tee. Yeah, that's all it's called. Real similar to the first tee. Got the racer red stripe down the middle. And instead of the white camo Big Ape Head logo, we got the white camo Big Gran Turismo logo. Now, the biggest difference compared to the other two tees is the co-branding on the sleeves. And that's on both of them. This tee has more of a crew member feel to it, if you know what I mean. I can see, a race car team rocking this. What y'all guys think? Well, there it is, the Gran Turismo Collection. Well, there was a hoodie and a cap as well, but nah, I'm playing. But like I mentioned before, I'm personally not too big on Gran Turismo, so this collab is geared towards those guys. Anyways, what y'all guys think of the Bape Gran Turismo Collection?
Here comes a new challenger!
So I didn't know I was going to get these in time. We got the latest Bapestas, the Bapesta number 1s. Yeah, babe, we got to work on the names, man. So from far away, they look like the college pack Bapestas or the Bapesta number 4s, but instead of either patent leather or just regular leather, a lot of the upper panels are synthetic fur. Pretty soft. It's not on the entire upper of the shoe, just on the toe cap, eyelet row, and heel counter. Every other part of the shoe, including the Bape star and heel tab, is regular leather. Yeah, a pretty decent Bapesta. That synthetic fur gives it a kind of premium luxury take to them. What y'all guys think? And yes, they also did come in white. Well, there goes the latest drops. The Bape Moon Collection, the Bape Gran Turismo collaboration, and the Bapesta number 1s. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!